Hello everyone, this is Pankaj. As you know, I already created many videos which is related to some coding stuffs. So this is 13-inch MacBook Pro with Apple M1 chipset. So I need to node on it. I already installed homebrew in my macOS, and if you want to see how to install homebrew and set up homebrew, I will give you the video link in I button or in video description. So go there and watch this video before this. I already told you everything about homebrew in my previous video, so if you missed it, now go to I button or I will give you a link in down. Now I am going to use homebrew to install nvm, which is Node version manager. Now I am going to show you there is no Node previously installed in my Mac. If I type Node and hit enter, so you can see command not found Node. So that means Node is not installed in this Mac machine. So I am going to install it right now. So I am going to clear it. So let me show you. I already installed homebrew. So I'm just type brew and type help. So here you can see brew is already installed in my Mac. If you have not currently installed brew in your Mac OS or your system, just go to down in video description. I will give you a link, or you can go through I button. Now I'm going to install nvm through brew. So I'm just going to type brew install nvm and just hit return. Now you can see here the downloading process of nvm is started. Now nvm is successfully installed. Now I am going to type nvm help to show the help of nvm. So now you can see command not found nvm because we have currently installed it, not set up. Now we are going to set up nvm. There is one more stuff you have to do. Now you have to add this line export nvm dir to your configuration file, which is .z/shrc right here. And you can see here you should create a nvm working directory if it doesn't exist. So here is the command to create this file. Now the first thing you have to do, just copy this command and just type here and just hit return. This is not a fully automatic process, but at least it is showing you what you have to do right here. These are all steps. Now the next thing is you have to check this file is exist in your directory or not. So I'm just going to check ls-la list all and just hit return. So now you can see here this file doesn't exist in my macOS. Z profile, zsh history, zsh session, but this file doesn't exist. So you have to create this file. I don't have this file, so I'm going to create this file. Now you have to type touch.zshrc and hit return. Now I'm going to listing my all files ls-la, and again you can see here this file is currently in my directory, but currently this file is empty. So now I am going to add these commands in this file. Now you have to copy the first line from export to nvm and just type code space dot. I'm just going to do in VS Code. Just click on author. Now it is asking for a permission. Click on OK. Now you can see here your all directories are here. So here is my file which I recently created, .z/shrc. So I'm going to open it, and now you have to paste all commands right here. Press command V. Don't worry, I will give you these all commands in video description. So go there and copy all the commands from there and just paste all commands here in .z/shrc file. So after pasting your all codes here, now let me tell you something more about this. This is the brew path for your macOS M1, and the second one is brew path for homebrew, and third one is your nvm path which you have recently installed. Now here we are going to export the path in which brew path plus nvm path, and after that we are going to export nvm directory which is nvm_path right here. Now the last two lines are most important because this line load nvm and this line load nvm bash compilation file. As you already see here, like the path of brew opt path, and after that nvm path nvm.sh. Now we are going to execute nvm.sh file from this path, and this is the path for homebrew opt path, it will also load nvm automatically. And this last line right here is this will load nvm bash completion file. Now you have to save this file. Just press command plus s, or you can manually do right here, file and save. Now after doing all this stuff, now go for your terminal. I'm just opening new terminal right here, and you have to type, guys, here one more thing, that this is your old terminal which you have run all these commands, but you have to open a new terminal right here, and now type the command nvm help and just hit return. And now you can see here all the help command of nvm. Now it means your nvm is successfully installed. Now in order to install Node in your Mac OS, now I'm going to type the command to install Node. Now right here just type nvm install Node and just hit return. Right here you can see the installing process of Node is started. So here you can see, guys, version 17.4.0 is installed in your Mac machine. So this is the latest version of nvm. If you want to see which is the latest version of Node.js, go to your browser and open google.com. Just type here Node.js and opening the first website right here. So guys, you can see here 17.4.0 is current version, and here 16.13.2 LTS. LTS means, guys, long-term support. If you want to install this version 16.13.2 long-term support, now I'm going to terminal, and here you can see 17.4.0 is successfully installed in your Mac machine. To see the current version of Node.js installed in your Mac, just type here node-version and hit return. Here, guys, you can see 17.4.0 is successfully installed in your Mac, and also this is the latest version. But if you want to install any older version of Node, again go for terminal, and in terminal right here nvm ls-remote and hit return. This command show the old versions of Node from 0 to latest version. So the latest version is 17.4.0. If you want to install different version like older version, just type nvm install, and here is the version 16 or 13 or any other version which you want to install. Just type here like 16 and just hit return. This will install 16th version of Node, but I will compatible with the latest version 17.4.0. Now I'm going to check the currently version installed Node.js in my Mac. So type nvm Node version. Here you can see 17.4.0 is installed in my Mac. So guys, this is the complete process of install nvm and Node.js in your Mac OS system. Now let me say one more thing, which is these all command also work in Windows PC. Run these all command in your terminal or your command prompt. Just type these all command in your terminal and hit return, and this will install your Node.js in Windows machine. And again let me say one last thing, which is, guys, can you suggest me the next video topic? Go down to comment box and just type which video you want next. And thanks for watching and keep supporting. Take care. Bye bye.